Good morning, traders. Stephen Davis, RJO Futures, Senior Market Strategist, downtown Chicago. Happy Friday to everybody. Here to talk to you about the grain markets. Corn market is down 5, soybeans are down 10, and wheat is down 12. So selling off here today. We have had a massive short covering rally in the grains. This is all about filling the soybean meal pipeline. End users who need soybean meal are double booking, getting it by rail, getting it by truck, and making sure that they get it. So along with short covering, we've seen this soybean meal market rally dramatically. Soybeans, they're planting in South America. They're about 20% complete. Typically at this time they're 40 or 50% complete. So this rally that we've seen is going to entice South America to plant more soybean acres. So this rally in the long term can be bearish for the soybean market in particular. So yesterday the CME raised margins on soybean meal contracts. So a lot of times that says that the tops are close by here, and in the next 10, 20, 30 days, the highs should be in this soybean meal market. So CME raised margins on meal 33%. This weekend, we got a nice harvest weekend coming up. So corn, you're going to see about 65% complete on the harvest. Soybeans about 85% complete on the harvest. And so we'll move. That'll be important next week. Next week will be November, so we'll get ready for the November crop report, which is November 10th, which should bring us bigger yields, more crop around, and all things being considered, can be bearish. So it'll be interesting to see how the markets respond to the November crop report. Looking ahead, what can drive the markets? Demand, we'll keep an eye on that. Yesterday, exports in soybean meal, a little disappointing. Exports in soybean, okay. China continues to buy U.S. soybeans, so that's a boom for our markets, and we'll see about that. The wheat market, more of a follower in here. Keep in mind, Ukraine, Russia is the key to the wheat markets in the world today, and wheat, more of a follower, not a lot of fresh news in that regard. That's about it. Have a good weekend. We'll talk to you next week.
Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.